Hi Jitendra, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's video to do the speed test comparison between the IQ 7 versus the OnePlus 80 device. Yes friends, this test is going to be really very interesting because I did include 15 applications and 5 games. So try to watch till end of the video, don't try to skip, because right now we all know IQ 7 is a winner in terms of the RAM management and in terms of the speed test as well. Whenever I do any kind of videos, so it used to dominate all the phones. But right now this is a really tough competition because right now we do have a silent beast, which is a OnePlus 80. Yes, the OnePlus 80 was able to perform really great in my previous speed test videos which I did today and yesterday. So right now I decided to do this 15 applications and 5 games test. Let's get started friends without wasting any time. Let me try to do the first restart test. Let's see which phone will be able to restart fast. So as I said, this test is going to be really very interesting friends. So it's kind of really challenging as well just to see. So it's kind of silent beast, I would say, the OnePlus 80. So till now I did not really explore the potential of this phone, as I did explore this kind of IQ 7's potential. That is the reason. So now I am trying to explore a little bit kind of more and more on the OnePlus 80 device. So first phone to turn on is the IQ 7 device in terms of the reboot speed. As you can see, that's fantastic. Let me know to quickly unlock. And both phones will be connecting to the same Wi-Fi network. As you can see, same Wi-Fi network, both phones are successfully connected, perfectly done. Let me know to open that 15 applications and 5 games. So here are the 15 applications and 5 games. So let's get started friends. Let me try to clear all the background applications. Everything is clear, as you can see, completely clean, nothing is running in the background. That should be kind of perfect. Let me try to start the test. First let's open the Google Chrome browser. Let's see which phone will be able to open fast. And not bad, both phones were able to do it good. And this is the touch sampling rate application which I thought of testing. So sorry for that, the touch sampling rate application, it was added in the game space. I did not delete that, so now I did delete. So the reason why I added this kind of application is because I want to see whether this application will be in the background memory or not. That is the reason why I thought of adding this touch sampling rate application. So next is a Z5 application. Let's see. I think not bad. It's kind of close to close. And here are the game. So randomly I did include 5 games out of 15 applications. The first is a OnePlus 80. As you can see friends, it did load first in the OnePlus 80. This is what I'm trying to talk about friends. So small differences makes a lot. And right now the IQ 7 did load first, and the YouTube, let's see, IQ 7 did load first, the YouTube as well. That's good. And let's is a speed test, and both are perfect at same time. Let's see the speed test at same time. I don't know, this is not the fair test to do at same time, the speed. So but just out of curiosity, I'll try to keep these results in the background memory. That is the reason I'm trying to do this kind of testing. And right now both phones are getting kind of close kind of speeds, not bad. So 32 and 42, and upload speeds as well, kind of similar. I'm not gonna judge any phone based upon these results, so don't get me wrong. I just want to keep these results in the background, that's it. So let me try to open home screen. Yep, done. And let's get started with another game, which is a Candy Crush. So both phones are same, and calculator, I'll try to type something in the calculator. I'm trying to keep in the background. And the Amazon Music application. So both phones are kind of okay, not bad. And next is a Getaway 2. Let's see. So this game, as I said, usually it will take some time to load, and let's see which phone can actually open faster. I'm very curious. As you can see friends, the OnePlus 80, as I said, this is a silent beast. Yes, this is a silent monster which is hiding. So now I need to bring it out. So I need to do plenty of speed tests. Don't worry, I'll try to do so many speed test comparison, like opening 30 applications as well. That is going to be my tomorrow's speed test. So stay tuned for those videos friends. So which is really interesting to see how different companies, how they are using their UI optimization to make the RAM management better. That is what my main motive of doing this kind of speed test and checking the RAM management especially. So mostly we may not be able to concentrate on the speeds. We should be concentrating on the RAM management. So don't worry friends, if you see some icons are completely different because I'm using some kind of different icon. I think that is the reason you're seeing this kind of different icons in both phones. But all the applications are completely updated. That's the one thing. And Amazon Prime videos, let's see. Amazon Prime, I think slightly faster in this phone, in the IQ 7 device, slightly. So a little bit. Not bad, the Subway Surf. You need to open in the IQ 7 first. Sorry, let's see this finally the music player application. Yes, so now we got 15 applications and 5 games open completely in the background. As you can see, completely done. As you can see friends, everything is there. Now let's come from the back side. I'll try to open from the back side each and every app. So let's see how many will be there in the background memory. So this is going to be really very interesting, friends. So only few phones were able to survive this kind of extreme test. Not all the phones, only few phones will be able to survive. And next is a Play Store. Perfect, not bad. Yes, same time. And the Zoom, yes. And the Paytm, Myntra. Wow, that's fantastic. Ghana. Wow. As you can see, friends, for the first time, like, it's been a very long time seeing some other phone beating that iQOO 7 device. So if I had the iQOO Legend, maybe Asus ROG Phone 5, I could have done so many comparison videos. But so let's see, hopefully maybe if I get in the next time any kind of review units, maybe any something, I'll definitely do a lot of comparisons. Right now even the speed test application also open in the OnePlus 8T. That's all good. And the YouTube, fantastic, friends. It did not even get reloaded in the YouTube application. Wonderful. And the Amazon Prime, sorry, I'm not sure, Amazon Prime, it got, I'm not sure, there's some problem with the account, I'm not sure, but did not open. But there must be some kind of error, I think, in Amazon application. So next is Z5, yes, everything. And touch sampling rate, perfect, same position as it is like before. That's good. And Chrome, as you can see, friends, 15 games and 15 applications and 5 games. So both phones were able to survive this kind of extreme level testing. I do know the average user definitely will use close to 15 applications only most of the time, but this, I'm trying to take the slow by slow, step by step. So yesterday I did start with the 10 games, and now I'm trying to include 20, and next step is to try with the 30, and next 46 or 50. That is what my target will be there, just to see which phone has got what type of RAM management. And one more thing, I'm not using any kind of external RAM in the iQOO 7 device, yes, because I do feel the external RAM is kind of a gimmick, because even without external RAM turned on, this phone did open 46 applications. So at this point, I thought the external RAM is not that helpful at all, because this phone can handle anything. Yes, friends, even with external RAM, without external RAM. That is the one thing I thought, and I did not turn on external RAM. That's the one video which I'll try to do another segment. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos, because I'll try to explain you in front of camera live. Only then you'll be able to understand and believe what I'm trying to say. So finally, friends, in this kind of random test, let's see which phone will be able to survive in the random test. Perfect, not bad. So both are opening pretty fast. So without even getting delay little second as well. It's kind of really great to see. It's kind of 5. Wow, that's really amazing, friends. Not even 1 second got loading in the both phones. I'm just trying to point out small things, but still I'm not getting any small things to point out in either phones at this point. It's like same twin brothers. That is what I can definitely conclude. As you can see, friends, so overall in the speed test and RAM management test, we did find out that both phones were completely kind of equal in this kind of test. So tomorrow I'll try to extend this 2 layers more, and I'll be back. So then we'll be able to understand which phone has got what kind of potential in it. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure to hit the subscribe and stay tuned. And in case if you feel my videos are helpful, really give this video a like, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.